Watch ads and make money. Do you find ads annoying and not rewarding at all? What if I told you you could make $100 just from watching ads? It may sound like a scam to some, but it's legit. Here you will get some apps or website where you can watch the ads and take the money you make in your PayPal account. Number 4. SlideJoy. SlideJoy is a free mobile app that rewards you with cash every time you open your phone. After installing the app, you will notice an ad on the screen when you unlock your device. SlideJoy receives advertising commissions and distributes a portion of it to you, the user. Whether or not you click on the phone, you will be paid the same. So only click the ad if you are generally interested in it. You will not be guaranteed to earn money every time you unlock your phone, but you will notice that the amount in your account is gradually increasing throughout the day. This is because SlideJoy employs a sophisticated algorithm to determine when to pay you. The best way to use this app is to go about your daily routine. The only difference is that this time, when you unlock your phone, you get paid, effectively turning this app into a passive income source. Because balances aren't updated until 7 p.m. each day, you might not see cash deposited into your account right away. How do I register for SlideJoy? Signing up for SlideJoy is simple and they will walk you through the entire process, but we have broken it down into 3 easy steps. Remember that you must have an Android device for this to work. We apologize to iOS users. Firstly, visit the SlideJoy homepage and create an account. Then you can open one of 2 types of accounts, cash or donation. In addition, you can help our website by clicking on this referral link. If you choose a donation account, you agree to have all funds in your account automatically donated to charities. A cash account allows you to have money deposited into it. You will be required to enter your email address, age, and gender information. Secondly, download and install SlideJoy on your phone. The app is available for download from the Google Play Store. Then log into your account on your mobile device. You'll notice that you'll get 20 cents for just signing up. The lock screen should be enabled if the app is installed, and ads should begin to appear when you open your phone. Now, determine which actions to take. When the phone freezes, you can slide left to learn more about the current advertisement. Slide up to see another advertisement. To return to your home screen, slide right. Clicking on an advertisement will not result in more money. The objective is to use the phone normally. Finally, when you are ready, cash out. You must have at least $1 in your account to cash out. You can withdraw funds to Square Cash or PayPal, receive Google Play credit, or donate to charity. How much money can I earn with SlideJoy? Just for signing up, you will receive a free 20-cent credit to your account to keep you motivated and continue using SlideJoy. However, the user determines the amount you make in the long run, so just keep in mind that clicking ads will not earn you any extra money. SlideJoy estimates that by unlocking your phone and simply using it as you normally would, you can save anywhere from $5 to $15 per month. We estimate you will earn $10 per month using the average of these 2 figures. If you use your phone frequently, you can expect to earn a slightly more. However, to cash out, you must have a minimum of $1. Number 3. MyPoints. This is a mobile app advertising platform that gives users points for watching videos on the platform. After accumulating a certain number of points, you can exchange them for gifts or cash. They pay with PayPal or gift cards that can be redeemed later. AppTrailers primarily notifies you of new apps and allows you to download them if they are appropriate for your needs. The app also lets you stream videos such as musicals, movies, games, celebrities, and even TMZ trailers. First, download the app from the Apple App Store or Google Play Store to sign up. Then create an account, verify it, and begin watching videos to earn points. AppTrailers will reward you for it. Other offers present you with opportunities to make money in the app. Choose the best options for you and complete the required task. The app is completely free. Who is the app intended for? The AppTrailer is intended for 2 groups of people: those looking for a way to make money online through ad networks, and organizations, developers, companies, and promoters with the video promotions of their apps, music, movies, games, and so on. With over 1 million users, AppTrailers guarantees that your video will receive a certain number of views if you advertise with them. However, members of the platforms must begin and finish a specific video before they can earn points. This ensures that users actually view videos on the platform. You don't have to be concerned about ad blockers or robots. The AppTrailers allows users to do what they already do with their phone, with the difference being that you get AppTrailers rewards, which means you get paid for it. However, in order for this to happen, you must first watch the video on their app. How can I profit from this platform? The most common way to earn money on app trailers is to watch videos on your mobile device. While doing so, you earn points from the platform, which you can later convert to money when you have enough. App trailers was originally designed for app trailers, but it has since expanded to include movie trailers, game trailers, sports videos, and even celebrity gossip videos. The videos are divided into categories and are typically very short. This is to allow you to watch as many videos as possible and earn as many points as possible. Each video watch earns you 5 points, so to get $0.5, you must earn 500 points. This is the bare minimum of points required to withdraw. You can redeem your points for cash and be paid via PayPal or redeem them as gift vouchers. This will require 5,000 points, which is equal to the lowest gift card value. You can also earn money by referring others. The more people who sign up through you, the more points you will earn. Each referral is worth 100 points. Number 2. Grab Points. Grab Points, founded in 2014, is a reward site that pays users to complete tasks, watch videos, and take surveys. The company has distributed more than $5 million in earnings and has a low minimum payout of only $3. Grab Points has a Trustpilot rating of 4.8 out of 5 from nearly 2,000 reviewers. Unlike other platforms, Grab Points does not require any personal information other than a valid email address and a name. This makes it simple to sign up and begin watching paid-to-watch advertisement by browsing their channels until you find videos that interest you. Then, depending on the task, watch videos, downloading apps, or filling out surveys can earn you anywhere from 2 to 10,000 points. You can also earn between 25 and 250 points by referring friends and family to Grab Points, depending on where you live. If you know people who enjoy watching videos and would like to earn some extra cash or free gift cards, you can do so by referring them to the Grab Points referral program. Number 1. Swagbucks. Swagbucks is yet another option to watch ads to make money. It offers distinct ways to earn money, and other methods you could follow are playing games, taking surveys, and more. The points you will make here by watching ads can further be redeemed as PayPal cash or gift cards. With Swagbucks, there is also a cash welcome bonus of $20 with numerous videos categories available for you to enjoy. You will also be able to see how much you can earn for each ad you watch on the website. This will help you make your plan ahead and follow your interests and allow you to invest your time in a way that will help you earn most of the money for your time. Watching ads on the website is highly lucrative and can earn some Swagbucks for watching a chunk of videos. But if you don't mind having it in the background, you can do some things that are worthwhile for you. The minimum age required to sign up on Swagbucks is 13, as minors are encouraged to seek the guardian's permissions before registering. However, you will instantly get a $5 sign-up bonus, and some video categories with listed earnings are already available. Also, Swagbucks website offers users some cashback offers on travel websites or other large purchases to rack up the rewards point easily. And there you have it, folks. 6 easy ways to make money from watching ads. At least now, they will be worthwhile, right?